Hello, my name is Gabriel from GabakUSA. In this video, I'm going to compare two different MacBooks. One is MacBook Pro 2012 versus 2014. So if you want to know the differences, I'm going to show you right now. Also, I'm going to tell you something that is very interesting. And if you didn't know, I mean, the trash can is 2013. It's a Xeon. It doesn't have the instruction that is called Quick Sync. So that way it will allow you to export any file faster if you're using Final Cut. So we are going to test the same thing with these two computers that I'm going to show you. So here I have the red one, will be MacBook Pro for 2014, and here we have the black one, it will be 2012. So we're going to export those files. I'm going to show you how. So that is the way I'm going to do it. So here I have, as you can see, 2012. Here you have the information. I'm going to jump in the other computer. We have 2014. So we are going to export. So that way, what we are going to do is this. We go here where you see all the effects and everything else. So we are going to use blobs. So what you have to do is just drag and drop. It will be 30 seconds. That's it. So that way, if you have to compare different computers, it will be good. And after that, I'm going to show you what I have done. So you press Command, and then I'm going to move this around. So you see it says 4K. It says the resolution. It says the frame rate, the codec, and stereo, and everything else. So and once you hit OK, and then you drag and drop this option that says blobs, and that's it. So I can choose whatever. I mean, if you like the sky, whatever, is the same thing. Now we are going to jump in the other computer. So we have the 2012, and we're going to do the same thing. So this is what I have done, same thing. So now we're going to export the file. So in this case, as you can see, we're going to settings, and you will see it says Apple device, and then it says 188 megabytes, and that's it. So the rest, it will be the same thing. As you can see, 30 seconds, and we're going to hit next. Here we're going to type a name like 11, and then we're going to jump in the other computer. We're going to do the same thing. So Command E, and then settings, and then we're going to have the same settings as well. So as you can see, we're going to use Apple devices, H264 faster encode, and everything else should be about the same. So now we're going to do this, where as you can see on the bottom it says 188 megabytes. So we are going to hit OK. And then here we're going to type 22, and we are going to be ready. So we're going to apply this effect, so that way we can share both screens at the same time. 11 and 22. So now I'm going to show you the last part. Okay, here we have 2014, and then I'll show you right back again the same thing in the other one. So we have 2012. So the only thing that we have to do is press enter. Let me put it like that. I'm going to do the same thing here, and then we're going to count 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now we have both up and running. So I'm going to show you here. As you can see, this is in 32. No, yeah, 39 is going like pretty fast, and 55, 62, 83, 88, 95, done. Great. And as you can see, the other one is still waiting. So if you can compare something like that, now I can close one of them. There you go. So like I said, you can do the same thing. You can do the same test. And if I have done the same test with the Mac Pro 2013 and against the 2012, and the 2012 is like way fast. Maybe the 2013 with 6 cores, 64 gigs of RAM, 2 video cards, and I mean, you have more horsepower than this one, the 2012, and it takes like a minute and a half, something like that, and this one is just few seconds, as you can see. I mean, just make sure when you do some tests like that, because sometimes Geekbench you will see different numbers. It may mean something for you, or maybe not. That is the thing. So now I'll try to run the Geekbench so you can see the numbers. Okay, we have both computers. You can see 2014 here. We're going to run 64-bit. We're going to do the same thing in the other one. And then we're going to tap on run benchmark. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. The one on the right, the 2014, has finished, as you can see. Few seconds difference, and we are going to see the numbers of both. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, one is 3,474 and the other is 3,966. And you will see the difference in multi-core. So we have about like 600 more, something like that. So it might be much to you, it might be little, you don't know, but until you don't do the test, it will be the same. So I don't remember if the MacBook, the Mac Pro, it was about maybe a little bit better in numbers or something like that. I don't remember very well, but there was a huge difference when I was sharing or exporting the file in Final Cut. So I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any question, leave me a comment on the section below, and see you in the next class.